What happened? I planted a beautiful, productive dye garden 3 years ago, and I was able to do some dye projects, make some beautiful prints with the flowers from this garden, but I didn't maintain it very well, and I'm going to show you what the current situation is. Okay, this is walking through my backyard orchard and herbs and whatnot, but we are coming up to this little patch. I have one bush that still is making some nice flowers, but you can hardly see it because there is all kinds of weedy grasses coming up through it, and all the surrounding area that used to have blooming flowers is completely overtaken. This was a wonderfully productive area in the year that I planted it, and in quite a small area too. I would say the diameter of this rock border that I built is about 4 to 5 feet. So there's actually a lot you can do with a small amount of space. And this year I'm going to revamp this area and show you how to make a dye garden and eventually what you can do with the plants. I'm going to invite you to come along with me as I start my dye garden this year. I'm going to start from seed. A lot of the dye plants are not necessarily available at your local nursery. Occasionally I find them at the nursery, but I want to make sure that I get everything that I want in my garden. So I've ordered seeds, and I'll show you what I'm going to be starting, and you should be able to find these online too if you want to plant along with me. These are the seeds I'm planning to plant in my dye garden. I'm not promoting a particular seed company over another. These are just what I happen to accumulate over the years. And we'll start on the left here. Japanese indigo, Dyer's coreopsis, Hopi black dye sunflower, and jet black hollyhock, purple basil. Oh, they're calling it red rhubarb. Scabiosa black knight, and another coreopsis. All coreopsis that I've tried make dye, so you could choose a number of types of coreopsis to plant. All of these seeds that I've just showed you are either annuals or tender perennials, except for the hollyhock, which is a biennial. So a biennial will only produce flowers in the second year. So that one's different than the others, but all the others basically we're going to treat as an annual, and they are planted by seed and harvested all in one season. And then they need to be replanted the next year versus a perennial which survives from one year to the next. In the next video, I'm going to show you some examples of what you can do with flowers from a dye garden, and that should help you decide what you want to plant if you're not sure you want to plant everything. And then from there, get ready to get your hands dirty and get some seed starter mix and learn how to start your seeds with me.